Hola mga kagoodies. Good morning to all of you. And this is our part 2, day 2 of our cycling vlog here in Zurich, Switzerland. So today we had a good weather. Nice cold wind. Very refreshing. And also this kind of scenery. It's such a perfect view. So, enjoy kung ano yung nakikita natin ngayon dyan, no? Talagang sila maalaga sa kanilang environment at kalikasan, no? Alaga-alaga, no? Hindi ka makakita dito ng basura dahil proper segregation yung ginagawa nila. Actually mas patindi pa nga sa barko kung paano sila mag-segregate ng kanilang mga basura. Aside from that, may mga tao dito mahilig maglakad, mag-jogging, mag-cycling to keep themselves busy at the same time healthy, no? Mitzi, Mitzi. Alright, kada na tayo malayo, so we have to hurry up. Sarap ng hangin, no? Nice springtime. Tumutubo na yung mga bulaklak. Lot of greens, no? The weather for today is 14 degrees at bababa pa yan ng 9. So it's around 10 o'clock in the morning here, local time. Pero napaka fresh, no? Aeroplano, nice. At ang kagandahan nga pala dito, may mga designated silang bike lane, no? Unlike sa atin sa Pilipinas, so ini-improve pero still malayo pa rin. Marami pang dapat habulin at ayusin, no? Kasi yung roads natin talagang hindi siya ganun ka-safety. Unlike dito, talagang bigayan yung tao at may disiplina. Saka yung quality ng hangin dito, no? Napakalinis. Even their public transport, very nice din, very comfortable. Lagi nasa oras ang biyahe mo. Kasi dito may oras yung train, bus, etc. sa bawat station. at darating na rin sa paroroonan mo na ayon sa nakatakdang oras. Diba ang galing? At saka dito hindi mo kailangan makipagpalitan ng mukha para makasakay lang. Kaya sa jeep, bus, sa atin no, dito napakaluwag, kumbinyente, talaga mamamangha ka. Hola. We go same route, huh? We go same route.
Until that our dealership is
Okay.
over for the second one.
Yes. Near in the airport.
Huh?
Near in the airport.
Airport?
Yeah.
Airport is on the other side.
No, I mean it's near there or just front. No. Okay. I was thinking this like a gasoline station that we have to cross. So today, can we make 40? Okay.
So no, 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 no.
Pretty.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
All right.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe so.
Yesterday pala, on our first cycling vlog, we made 38 kilometers for just about 2.5 hours. So I guess not bad for a beginner like me who seldom use this bicycle as a means of passion, hobby, or recreational activities. Alright, so we just joined in this road. So take a look guys, no? Diba, malinis, payapa, walang traffic, walang pollution, hindi ganun ka tindi yung usok o carbon emission na gagaling sa kanilang mga sasakyan. Wala kang makitang usok na puti o itim dyan, suwabe lang. Ayan yung quality ng roads nila, no? Maganda with markings at maayos din yung kanilang mga signages, no? Hindi nakatago, hindi confusing, no? Tapos pag di mo nakita yung signage, pag liko mo, uy, huli ka. May naghihintay na traffic enforcer sa kabila, diba? Ganda. Dito nagbibigay yung ano, mga motorista, mga driver, no, sa sa atin, pipinahan ka eh. Okay, so hoping someday, balang araw, ang ating bansa maging ganun din. Kaya nito, no? Kaya naman maramdaman ng ating mamamayan yung ginhawa at kaayusan, no? Dito malaki yung taxes nila, pero sulit naman kasi nararamdaman ng tao. Mahal din ang bilihin dahil Zurich is considered the most expensive cities in the world to visit, no? Even the locals, reklamo rin sila minsan, no? Makakarinig ka na ng mahal ang bilihin. Pero sabi rin nila ng mga nakabiyahe sa Pilipinas, ganun din daw sa Pilipinas, may mga mahal na bilihin, pero ang laki daw ng diferensya sa sahod. So mas gugustuhin pa rin daw nila dito, kahit may mga mahal na bilihin dito, is malaki yung sahod nila, no? Unlike sa atin, talagang masyadong mababa, no? Okay, this is the car dealership he's talking about. So ngayon mag-iiba kami na ruta compare sa kahapon. Okay, so ayan o, may signage o, bike lane number 5. So dito hindi ka naman maliligaw as long as susundin mo yung mga signages, no? Kasi clearly visible naman. Oh, sarap. tubig, oh, malinis. Oh. Man. Man. Kamali tayo ng pindot ng gear at ang baguhan. Gritzy. Gritzy. Oh, ba ito yung mga locals dito. Hindi pa naman tayo nakarinig ng something very discriminating. That based on your looks, your race, your color. So all goods naman. Kumbaga walang pakilamanan. Mind your own business. As long as you are not doing something wrong, you are abiding their laws, and you're good to stay here. Crossing the road and join to the other side of the bike lane. Ito maliwanag, no? Pasikat yung araw, mahangin, pero refreshing. Kaya lang, hindi mo yung mapapansin based sa kulay natin, may ano rin eh, may epekto rin eh, may sunburn din eh, nangingitim ka rin eh. Unlike sila, mamumula lang eh. At gusto nila to kasi nagpapatan sila even sa park na napuntahan ko, no? Wala sila sa beach, pero mga nakatupis, topless pa nga yung iba, nagbibilad sa sikatan ng araw para magpatan. This is also common naman sa profession natin, sa trabaho natin sa barko. Yung mga nakakasama tayong mga European crew, so ganun din yung ginagawa nila, no? Hindi nila titigilan hanggat hindi sila yung kulay hipon, yung hipon na luto, mamula-mula, ganun. Kada pag-uwi nila, galing daw sila sa bakasyon. Naks naman, ang galing din eh, no? Pero hindi alam nila, galing sa barko, galing sa trabaho. Anyway, speaking of bakasyon, dito napakadali magbiyahe, no? Not only domestically but also internationally. Sa borders, no? May mga train dyan, trains, buses, airplanes, no? As long as member ng EU, European Union, so pwede ka maglabas-masok, especially if you are an EU citizen, no? Pero katulad natin yung Pilipino, so meron naman tayong Schengen visa, so pwede naman tayo dyan as long as we are carrying our valid documents such as passport at most important yung ating visa, no? Which is valid dapat. Though minsan pag nagko-cross kami ng borders or visiting other countries, may mga random check, no? Kung nagbayad ka ng pamasahe, at the same time yung documents mo, i-check nila yun kung align mo sa ticket, sa pangalan at sa pagmumukha mo, no? Na ikaw nga yun. Usually sa airport lang naman, no? If you're going to take an airplane as a mean of your transportation. Dito sa trains, buses, ganun din. So isa naman hindi na check. So naano rin dito yung honesty nila, no? Lalo na kung nagbayad ka ng pamasahe, fair. So kahapon naka 38 kilometers kami. So hopefully this day mabibreak namin yung record na yun. Well, for me achievement na yun, no? Hindi naman talaga ako cyclist, wala rin akong bike sa bahay. Actually kung naano nyo yung bike vlog ko nakaraan, no? Last 2 years ago, iram ko lang yun sa aking kaibigan. Walang iba kundi si Cristian Estrada. Hiniram ko yung kanyang bicicleta. And then nagbike ako from their home, Manila, to my home sa Parañaque. So it's quite challenging, no? Kasi iba-iba. Dadaan ka doon sa mga main road, kalsada, no? Plus yung usok, tambutso. Dito talagang napaka safe. Ika nga. Diba? Yung mga dinaanan natin. Saka sarap, presko yung hangin, no? Hindi ka magkakalang cancer dito. Kaya yun din yung isa kong red flag. Kung magsa-cyclist ka o magsa-cycling ka sa syudad, especially in Manila, siyempre tendency niya hingali ka, no? So yung lungs mo magre-record ng oxygen. Kaya lang, sad to say, yung pollution sa atin matindi. So nalalanghap ng yung baga ay yung maduming hangin, now which is not good for our lungs. Kaya in the long run, yun yung isang cause for a lung cancer. Right. Oh, diba? Jajag sila, diba? Ay. Nice morning. Good morning. So ayun no, may bumati sa atin. Isa pa yan, lakad-lakad with dogs. Yan, trip na trip nila yan. Pinapasyal nila yung kanilang mga alagang aso as their form of bonding and exercise, no, to keep their body in shape. Also yung kanilang mental aspect. Nice. Sayang no, yung isa nating baterya dito sa GoPro bumigay, sira. So isang battery lang yung ating nagagamit. Maganda sana kung may pang palitan, no, dahil sa ating last cycling vlog, halos kulang-kulang isang oras lang yung nakuha na ng video. Tuloy-tuloy. Pero yung natin nun, it's 2 hours and 30 minutes more or less. Anyway, at least kahit paano pakita natin yung beauty ng lugar nila, no? That's the most important. Ito rin, no? May dalawang cyclist tayong makakasalubong. Nainip na yung kasama natin. Tagal natin. Kaya natin nilalamnam ang ating pagpadyak. Oh!
Story you're telling?
Yeah, I'm just only joking for them.
What?
Only 11 kilometers. Sheesh. So, not yet half. Okay. So far.
Roughly half and we reach Baden,
All right.
the biggest city in Canton Aargau.
Okay.
All good? Need something to eat?
No, I'm
Some
good.
licorice?
No. Maybe beer. Kidding. I'm just enjoying the view. All right. Okay. So resume tayo. It was just a quick water break. And according to my brother-in-law, we will say to Baden. Alright. Okay. Nice. Take a look of that view. Diba? Linis. Oh. Nice. Oh, di ba? Dito, no? Parang masasabi ko na let's see yung nature and people can live and coexist with each other, no? Without harming both parties, or at least not to the full extent, no? Hindi pala yun. I guess yung pinaka ano nila dito is yung discipline talaga. Discipline, tapos sama mo ng a good system sa bansa nila, no? Yung type of government nila that shapes their behavior, not only for those who are in office, the leaders, politicians, as well as these citizens of this country, no? Ay, nice. Oh, diba? Napakatahimik, peaceful. Wala pa akong nakikitang chismosa dito. Mosa. Nagtatambay sa mga kapitbahay. Nagkukwentuhan at napag-usapan na yung buhay na may buhay ng kanilang kapitbahay. I like this one. Nice. Oh, napakapayapa, napakatahimik, napakalinis, napakaganda, kamangha-mangha. Sana all. Okay, so it's not possible, yeah? So we change our route. Can't see. Alright. Proper segregation ng kanilang basura at disposal, no? Napakaganda ang sistema dito. Kaya naman birang-bira yung mga calamities related to this nature, no? Kasi inaalagaan nila. Oh, nice. Oh, jeez. Train is coming. Aha, umabot. Just in time. Nice. It's not a passenger train. Ito medyo masakit sa binti. Steep. Ang sarap nun after ng paahon. Masyado makakaili po natin. Nice. Sarap ng hangin. Oh. Sorry, Rashi. Let's see. Clear. Strawberry fields forever. 56 na tayo. 56 minutes tayo nag-ano, cycling. Hopefully hindi pa namamatay yung ating GoPro. Nice. Ito yung mga gusto ko eh. Downhill. Nice. Sarap ng hangin. Presko, refreshing, school, Schule. Thank you. So, humihinto sila, di ba? Dati unahan pa tayo noon. Sunday. Nice to see people going to church. No? Ano pa rin yung faith nila, whatever religion it is. Good. Oh, walang takot. Oh, galing naman ng bebe. Bata pa lang. Tinuturuan na maging matigas ang buto, hindi ang ulo. Magiging independent. Very evident na. Sa atin, mga ganyan ka, binibigyan ko ng ulo. Alright. Basketball court and football at the same time. Volleyball, no? Beach volleyball po. Kahit wala sa beach, pwede. Sa atin kuhanan yung buhangin na yan. Kaya yung pantapon ng ano, kain ng pusa. Kaya pang construction nila, panggawa sa bahay-bahay, simento na lang kulang. Haha. Nice. We just arrived. Okay. Nice. Are you tired? It's okay, yeah? Okay. Mga kagoodies, no? We just arrived sa Baden, no? And then pinatay ko lang muna yung ating camera to conserve yung battery. And now, resume ulit tayo. So, pabalik na tayo. So, last time I checked, it was 20% battery life. And anytime soon, kikiyok na ang ating GoPro. Fortunately, no? Wala na yung ating isang spare battery. Bumigay na, no? Okay. Anyway, kung makatay man tong video na to, no? So, thank you for watching. But for now, habang nagpe-play pa at nagre-record, so enjoy the view. Pauwi. Are we lost? Lost in the dark. Hey. Park. cyclist din, no? With proper gear. Bundok ah. Nice. Let's see. Per hour. Nice. So itong way natin pauwi, a bit longer route for the reason that we are taking a different path, as well as yung kasama ko is not so familiar here, or maybe first time niya rin magano, para may iba naman daw yung scenery, at the same time is para hindi daw ako maboard. At napakabait nitong kasama ko kasi wala na excitement, di ba, pag bumalik ako sa nadaanan mo, para may iba naman daw. Nice. As per signage, no? Yeah, 66. Let's see. Alright. Nice. Good, no?